Go.
So these are the hidden attachments for the strap.
This 10X fan that you get off Amazon, you're going to try to put the strap on. It's really hard to do.
It's a hidden thing. And the only way that this works is you have to take each one of these out of this clip right here. I'll show you.
Okay.
You just take that out of the clip. Get them attached there. And the hard thing about threading these things is one goes in right smooth, goes in one side, pops out the other. But the other one wouldn't do that. And I had to use my handy dandy
How do you do it?
thread ripper. So this comes up the other side like that when you stick it in here. But sometimes it doesn't come out through easily. So I had to use the thread ripper to pull it out. I'll show you. So here we go. So this goes in here like this.
Okay.
Hold on, I can't see.
I can't either.
Push it in, push it in, push it in. Now, this one's the one that comes up. See, it came up really easily.
Right.
But I'm going to grab the thread ripper and pull it up.
And don't cut it.
Nope. And then you pull it through this.
And then it loops around. The other one was harder.
The other one was harder because it wouldn't slide up nice and easy. And then once you get everything in there, you want to make sure that your strap is lined up.
So it's not folded over.
It's not folded over.
Oh, I see.
And this one's wrong, so I'm going to fix it. You want it flat, so this needs to be twisted. Something needs to be twisted. I think this needs to be twisted here. Yeah. Okay, so this should be flat. Okay, and then this clips into here. And then boom.
Yeah, and that's not intuitive because you think it's going to be on the bottom of this.
Yeah.
Like the other one that we have, it's on the bottom of this. But this one, it's here. And that's just ridiculous.
You want this to be a little longer.
But it might work as when you put it on and it faces up.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
That's going to work a little bit better maybe.
It's going to work better
than the other one.
Yeah.
And don't forget to take this piece of plastic off too, because that'll...
See, the other one fastens at the bottom and it hangs.
Yeah.
But you have to go, you literally have to like hold it like this up. Or I don't think you can even balance it. I'm trying to picture it. No, you have to hold it.
Well, we'll just get it and we'll show you.
Yeah.
You know, in the next video because we don't have it right here. All right, cool. But that's how you put the lanyard on to this 10X fan that I'll put in the description box below. It's only $16, but it's a lifesaver. These things get really cold. Plus, there's other features I'll show you later.
Yeah.
Check out the next video.